I am A. Hari, Assistant Professor EC Department, St. Peter's Engineering College. Today I am going to discuss about microengineering subject. In that topics, introduction to microengineering, microwave spectrum, advantages, applications. First of all, coming to the introduction, microwaves are a form of electromagnetic radiation with wavelengths ranging from about 1 meter to 1 millimeter with frequencies between 300 megahertz and 300 gigahertz. It means that 1 meter and 1 millimeter. Different source, different sources define different frequency ranges as microwaves. The above broad definition includes both UHF and EHF millimeter waves bands. A more common definition in radio engineering is range between 1 and 100 GHz. It means that wavelengths between 0.3 meters and 3 millimeters. In all cases, microwaves include the entire SHF band, that is 3 to 30 GHz or 10 to 1 centimeters at minimum. Frequencies in the microwave range are often referred by the IEEE radar and designations S, C, X, Ku, K or Ka band. In that, first of all, prefix in microwave is not meant to suggest a wavelength in the micrometer range. Rather, it indicates that microwaves are small, having shorter wavelength compared to the radio waves used prior to microwave technology. The boundaries between far infrared radiation microwave and ultra high frequency radio wave are fairly arbitrary and are used variously between different fields of study. Microwave travel by line of sight. Unlike lower frequency radio waves, they do not diffract around hills, follow the Earth's surface as ground waves are reflect from the ionosphere. So, terrestrial microwave communication links are limited by the visual horizon to about 40 miles. Coming to the microwave spectrum. In the microwave spectrum, class, frequency, wavelength and energy. Ionization radiation, gamma rays, frequency 300 Hz, wavelength 1 pm, energy 1.24 electron volts. Hard X-rays 30 Hz pm, 124 K electron volts. Soft X-rays 300 PHZ 1 millimeter, 1.24 kilo electron volts. Extreme ultraviolet 30 PHZ 10 nanometers, 124 electron volts. Next, visible near ultraviolet 300 terahertz 1 micrometer, 1.24 electron volts. Mid infrared 30 terahertz 10 micrometers, 124 milli electron volts. Microwaves and radio waves. Extremely high frequency 30 GHz 1 centimeter, 124 micro electron volts. SHF super high frequency 3 GHz 1 centimeter, 12.4 micro electron volts. Ultra high frequency 300 megahertz 1 meter, 1.24 micro electron volts. Very high frequency 30 megahertz 10 meters, 124 nano electron volts. Medium frequency 300 kilohertz 1 kilometer, 1.24 nano electron volts. Low frequency 30 kilohertz 10 kilometers, 124 pico electron volts. Very low frequency 3 kilohertz 100 kilometers, 12.4 kilo electron volts. This is the microwave spectrum. In that we are having frequency and wavelengths tabular form. Here radio, microwave, infrared, visible, ultraviolet, X-rays and gamma rays. In that, first of all, radio is 3 kilohertz frequency and 10.5 meters wavelength. Microwave 300 megahertz frequency and 1 meter wavelength. Infrared 300 gigahertz frequency and 1 millimeter wavelength. Visible 430 terahertz frequency and 750 millimeter wavelength. Ultraviolet 790 terahertz frequency and 380 nanometer wavelength. X-rays 30 picohertz frequency and 10 nanometer wavelength. Gamma 30 EHz frequency and 0.01 nanometers. Microwave bands. In that microwave frequency bands is their designation and frequency range and wavelength range. First of all, we are going for the L band. L band is frequency range is 1 to 2 gigahertz and wavelength range is 15 centimeter to 30 centimeters. S band 2 to 4 gigahertz, 7.5 centimeters to 15 centimeters is the wavelength range. C band 4 to 8 gigahertz frequency range, 3.75 centimeters to 7.5 centimeters wavelength range. X band 8 to 12 gigahertz frequency range, 25 mm to 37.5 mm wavelength range. Ku band 12 to 18 gigahertz frequency range, 16.7 millimeter to 25 millimeter wavelength range. K band 18 to 26.5 gigahertz frequency range, 11.3 mm to 16.7 mm wavelength range. Ka band 26.5 to 40 gigahertz frequency range, 5 millimeter to 11.3 millimeter wavelength range. Q band 33 to 50 gigahertz frequency range and 6 millimeters to 9 millimeter wavelength range. U band 40 to 60 gigahertz frequency range and wavelength range 5 to 7.5 millimeter. V band 50 to 75 gigahertz frequency range, 4 mm to 6 mm wavelength range. W band 75 to 110 gigahertz frequency range and wavelength range 2.7 mm to 4 mm. F band 90 to 140 gigahertz frequency range and 2.1 millimeters to 3.3 millimeter wavelength range. D band 110 to 170 gigahertz frequency range, 1.8 mm to 2.7 mm wavelength range. Advantages of microwaves. In that, first one, large bandwidth, better directivity, and small size antenna, low power consumption, effect of fading. First of all, we are going through the large bandwidth. The bandwidth of microwaves is larger than the common low frequency radio waves. Thus, more information can be transmitted using microwaves. It is very good advantage because of this. Microwaves are used for point-to-point communication. Second one is the better directivity. At microwave frequency, there are better directivity properties. This is due to the relation between frequency increases, wavelength decreases, and as wavelength decreases, directivity increases and beam width decreases. So it is easier to design and fabricate high gain antenna microwaves. Small size antenna. Microwaves allows to decrease the size of antenna. The antenna size can be smaller as the size of antenna is inversely proportional to the transmitted frequency. Thus, in microwaves, we have wave of much higher frequency and hence the higher the frequency of the smaller size of the antenna. Low power consumption. The power required to transmit a high frequency signal is lesser than the power required in the transmission of low frequency signal. As microwaves have high frequency, thus requires very lesser power. Finally, effect of fading. The effect of fading is minimized by the using line of sight propagation technique at microwave frequency. While at low frequency signal, the layer around the earth causes fading of the signal. Applications of microwave. There are many industrial specific, medical and domestic applications of microwaves. The great example of application of microwaves is microwave oven, which we use in our daily life. The following of the other main applications are areas in the microwave: communication, remote sensing, heating and medical science. First one is the communication. Communication is microwave is used in broadcasting and telecommunication transmissions. As described above, they have shorter wavelength and allows to use smaller antennas. The cellular networks like GSM also uses microwave frequency ranges of 1.8 to 1.9 GHz for the communication. Microwaves are also used for transmitting and receiving a signal from Earth to satellite and from satellite to Earth. Military or army also makes use of microwave in their communication system. They use X or Ku band their communication. Next one is the remote sensing. Remote sensing is a most of you may be familiar with this application. Why means the most common application of microwaves its use in radar and sonar applications. The radar is used to illuminate an object by using a transmitter and receiver to detect its position and velocity. Radiometry is also one of the remote sensing application. Next one is the heating. Heating means you all are familiar with this application. We use this microwave oven to bake and cook food. It is very convenient electronic machine which performs the heating task very cleanly and in a very less time. If you want to know how does a microwave works, you may wonder that is based on the vibrations of electrons present in the food particles. That is why microwave oven heats the food uniformly without heating the container. Medical science. The medical science is microwave's heating properties are also used in the medical science. Microwave also have medical applications such as it is used in diagnosis and various therapies. There are also some other applications of heating property of microwaves such as drying, pre-cooking and moisture leaving.